Hello everyone, welcome to another nail art haul, nail supply haul, and this is quite an affordable one, so if you want some affordable goodies, just keep watching. It looks good from what I can see. We won't cry, we're just looking now. It has a nice brush. So we are going to start with the brand Claressa. We have a little package from Claressa. Now, I only ordered 2 things in this order because I really needed to re-up on my butter yellow colour, and unfortunately the one that I love is this. It's called Shake 4. I've had it for the last year and it's carried me through the year of yellow being in major trend and style, okay? So that Shake 4 was my ride or die yellow. Love it, love it, love it. I went to order it again and it wasn't on the website, and I messaged the brand on Instagram and they told me that had been discontinued, but they gave me the name of their new, I say in inverted commas, new yellow. So we're going to open this really quick and we're going to swatch it and show you, and I'm going to compare the swatches. Okay, so here she is. This is Ciao Pastel. So this is their pastel collection from spring this year, and it's Ciao Pastel 10. And if you're not new here, you will probably know that this is my favorite top coat and has been for a while now. It's a brilliant universal top coat. It's Top Diamond by Claressa, and it's brilliant over everything. So I love this one. This is my ride or die number 1, and Madame Glam top coat is number 2. But we are going to swatch this and see if we're not disappointed. Oh yeah, it's definitely lighter. Oh. Now it's still a nice lemony butter yellow. Excuse the fact I cannot speak. If you don't know, Claressa is a Polish brand, I think. So like, it's available in Poland, it's available in the UK, it's available in Spain. Like, I've seen France. I've seen so many different websites for this. So if you haven't tried it and you are, like, I'm in Ireland, but if you're not in Ireland and I know it's not in America, but it's all over Europe. So if you have not tried it, it's such a good brand to grab affordable colours. Look, I kind of knew that this yellow wasn't going to be the exact same, so I cannot like be too crabby about it, because there are bigger problems in the world than a slight difference between my yellow shades in polish. We won't cry, we will just, I'm sure my clients will understand, but they loved this. Look how loved and gone that is. That is literally dehydrated, because I've used every little last drop. Are you ready for the big reveal? Here we go. So they are really different. Now in this light, the Shake 4 looks a lot more banana yellow than it is. It's not as banana yellow as it's picking up, but there is quite a significant difference in the colors of the yellow. However, I'm just gonna have to live with it, because this is the kind of lightest pastel yellow that I have at my disposal. Yeah, I think my clients would still love it. I'm just gonna pop it on mine. Like, that looks really pretty with a little bit of chrome. Next up, we have some stuff from Amazon. Okay, this is coming perfect timing because I am down to one singular mini mandrel bit, and I ordered a new 100 pack. Now, it's a 100 pack of 180 grit. Okay, so I always use 180 grit sanding bands on myself and my clients' nails for their prep. And you can use 240 as well, but I just find using 180 just gives a better etching. And when I say etching, I don't go crazy on the etching. I sometimes even turn my e-file down to 3 or 4, depending on the client as well. And yeah, I find 180 mini mandrel sanding bands in the grey colour the best. I don't really like the pink kind of colour. I've gotten them before, but I just find they don't last as well. They don't wear as well, in my opinion. And then next up we have these files. Now these are 100/180 grit as well, and I was just running low on files, and I have 1 or 2 new clients coming to me, so they need their own brand new file. And of course everyone has their own files, and I don't throw away after every single use, but they don't last that long either, so I like to have fresh files at my disposal. So this is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. This is a 15 pack, and it's from the brand Fandemi. And it's written at the back here. I'm just going to show you this. This is a really good brand of nail file. I've been ordering these nail files from Amazon for the last probably well over a year, could be up to 2 years, and I've tried different type of brands as well. I love this brand. It is so good. So just, if you can, keep an eye out for that brand, because you will not be disappointed. They are really powerful nail files. And like I said, the 180 grit sanding band. I'm not sure what brand these are. If anyone needs links, please just message down below and I will get the link straight away. I always pop the link straight away if anyone requests it. I usually get Melody Susie's sanding bands, but these ones are not Melody Susie. I know that much. They're not. They're a different one that I've tried. So hopefully they will be good. So here we have some top coat. Now this is my first time trying this V-Shine top coat. I do have their matte top coat and I do have their Bloom and Gel, and I like both of them. So I needed to get some more top coat, especially for my press-ons. Decided I would try this. So there's 16 mils by 2 packs. So there's 2 boxes in, or there's 2 bottles in here. So I'm just going to open up. And this is how they look. So it's a very shiny metallic. Their other bottles are the exact same. They're that little shiny, silver shiny kind of a vibe. So 16 mils, 2 top coats. I think it was about 9. I'm just looking now, it has a nice brush. Seems like a nice viscosity. And like I said, this is for my press-ons. And finally we have some Temu items. So I have a few little bits from Temu. I'm going to open them and show you. A lot of them are necessities again for my press-ons. And yeah, there's some little kind of side things in there too. First off, these are press-ons as well. And I could not find the XXL coffin press-ons on AliExpress. I used to always get them from AliExpress, could not find them. So I, by chance, decided to try Temu. And lo and behold, they have them. I'm just going to show you the size 5, and so I can show you the shape and the length. These are a gorgeous snail for press-ons. So I'm really happy that I found them. And this is a 240 pack. So this is XXL coffin. I'm just going to show you what they look like. So that is the side view. And this is kind of what they look like on. If I can just grab it there. That's the length of it. Very cute. It's like an in-between of the really long crazy 3XL and 5XL, and also a bit more bougie than the long, you know. So that's those. Then we have the more bougie 5XL. So these ones are, I've shown these loads on my channel, they're like the same shape. They're like XXL coffin, but they're 5XL. And yeah, they are gorgeous. I might just pull them out in case you haven't seen them. I'll pull out the 5 as well. Now these come with less in the pack. This is the 5, and you can just see, like, look at that compared to the one that I just had on. Super, super long. But they're a lovely shape as well. They're just really, really, really fun if you like those really long nails. So I was super, super happy to find these 2 sets of nails on Temu, given that I couldn't find them on AliExpress. The 5XL ones are on AliExpress, but the 2XL aren't for some reason. So I was so happy to find them, and that was the reason for me even going on Temu this month. Now, next up, we have a variety pack of rings, and I do give these as a free gift in my press-on orders. I might put 2 or 3 in, and this just has, I'll just show you, there's a little cross there. I'm not going to take them out, but there's like a pearly one, there's a chain looking one there, and a little mother of pearl one, and there's a lot in here. You know, it's a great bag of rings to get, even if you just wanted them for yourself. This is a good one. And then I wanted to get this for myself. This is literally for me. So it is a cladder ring, but it's a fake cladder ring. But I just thought it looked like a really good fake. I'm just going to pop it on here. Like, look at that. That's really pretty. So I just got that. I saw it for like 1 something or €2 maybe. So I just picked that one up. Next up, we got a cuticle scissors. So this is self-explanatory. It's just a cuticle scissors. I don't know if it's going to be any good. It was just a random one that I saw. It actually looks good. It looks good from what I can see. Yeah, cuticle scissors. I was really excited to get this. So this is one of those 5 dotting tools that are all stuck together. So it looks like a flower. And my reason for getting this is because I saw on TikTok someone using one of these for a flower, for a blooming flower design. Yeah, so this is how it looks. It looks like in the shape of a flower, and you could use this for a few things. You could use it for the dotty daisies, or I did see someone using it for a blooming gel flower design, and that is the reason why I got it. I didn't get it for the dotty daisies because they're so simple and easy to do, but for blooming gel it might just be handy to be able to put on your blooming gel and then go boop and see if it's, you know, see if it works a little bit easier than dipping your dotting tool in and out and in and out. So I got these little tiny diamonds from from Shein, and I loved them so much when I came that when I saw them on Temu, I just threw them into my order. Now I haven't even used them yet, but I just think they'd be so nice to encapsulate in a nail, and they are tiny, look. They are so small that you wouldn't really be using them for a design. It's nearly for encapsulation. That look when you encapsulate rhinestones in a nail, that's kind of why I got them. So I just topped up on them because the ones I got from Shein I loved so much. Now at least I have 2 packs of them if I, you know, start running out. I just think they're super cute. And that was going to be the end of the video, but an Amazon package just arrived with these Model 1 soft gel tips. Soak off full cover long coffin. So what's interesting about these is already I can see that the box is massive, like it doesn't even cover the screen. I have to kind of move it around here. It says 510 pieces and it has 15 sizes. So you can see they're all broken up there into little compartments. And again, a usual thing where I couldn't really find my long coffin tips, so I said I would give these a go. Now the shape, okay, you get a ton of tips, like look at that. Obviously it said 510 pieces, but look how jam-packed that is. if you're looking for soft gel like après dupes, these could be good. I'm just going to look at the thumb because that's always kind of a giveaway. This already looks really, really big compared to the normal thumb sizes. Like it's really wide. So if I put it up against mine, so my thumb is usually a 0, okay? And you can see that it's got, now I know I have some gel on, but I don't have a big, massive, thick gel on. So it is just going over the side walls. So that's definitely bigger than my normal size 0 in my long coffin nails. And that's a good thing because my 0 in my long coffin is kind of small, I feel like. So it just goes not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, no, 13, 14. So it doesn't have half sizes or anything like that. It just goes up to, 15, 14. Okay, so I'm just going to check out the size 4. Just to give an idea. I'll pop it down there. And yeah, they're definitely bigger. Okay, so these sizes are definitely bigger than the traditional size tips for sure, because a lot of them are kind of generic. These are definitely wider. If you have wider thumbs or you're looking for tips with like, not just wider thumbs, sorry, if you have wider nail beds or you're looking for tips that have a good variety, this would be really good, because when you go right down to the end size then, which is 14, like this is tiny. So this is one of your tiny little baby finger nail bed things, and that definitely that wouldn't fit me. So look at mine, that would not fit me at all. So even though they start off big, there seems to be a massive variety in this box here. And this box was like around about a tenner, under a tenner, I think about 9, wasn't more than 10 anyway. So yeah, looking forward to having a little play around with these. But that is definitely the end of the video now. I have everything shown to you guys and I have nothing coming. So I'm going to wrap it up, and I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what was your favorite item down below, and I will see you in the next one.